Grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom, student-teacher perception. Abstract. The aim of the study was to find out the teacher and study perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. The participants of this study were two teachers and four students from an Islamic junior high school or madrasa. We use a case study method to conduct this research to identify teacher and student perception in teaching and learning grammar interaction in communicative language teaching classroom. The data were collected by using interview. The data were analyzed by using thematic analysis. The finding indicated that there were 5 indicators on student-teacher perception. Grammar is the language framework and system of meaning. Every language seems to have a grammar, and persons speaking in similar language will communicate because they naturally understand the grammar structure which is the rule of meaning, according to Bethnan. The importance of teaching English grammar as a foreign language, various methods and approaches have been applied to enhance learned competence, Savage, Butterly, and Price. Recapitulating approaches that have a significant impact on grammar interaction, including grammar translation method, direct method, audiolingual method, cognitive approach, natural approach, and communicative approach. Among them, the communicative approach. The main intention of CLT is designed to teach communicative competence, which involves part of speech and tense as sentence construction, a teaching technique that refers to several aspects of language, include the use of language for multiple purposes and functions. Using CLT to teach grammar in the school language classroom is an effort to improve student attitude toward language learning and to have positive effect on their learning process. Emphasis places on grammatical mistake in fear of making grammar error has a negative impact on students. Those are related to the finding of a student conducted by Nur Fakhara. The changing of teaching culture from teacher contacted to student The shallow and approach is to grammar in a way that we can define as inductive or it called as continuous raising. The latter, the dependent approach to CLT concerns the implicit learning of grammar. The adoption of CLT in the natural language teaching curriculum has gone through several changes and development. Study was conducted to find out student teachers' perception in teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Literary review. The concept of communicative language teaching (CLT) is one of approach to language teaching. This approach was found from the awareness that language as a system for communication, not just a set of the rules, is switched the emphasis of traditional language in learning equation. Communicative language teaching emphasis on self-direction for students. Teachers no longer rely on activities that involve repetition, accuracy, and memorization of sentences. They require students to communicate and contact and communicate meaningfully in foreign language, as Oxford 1990 proposed that it is important for active development of a new language. Communicative activities play an important role in teaching communicative language, as Richard stated. In communicative competence, there are several approaches that help students involve learning in communication. In this research, in order to find out the teacher and student perception in German instruction to communicative language teaching, we use interview in order to gain information about teacher and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom to analyze the data of teacher and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language. Based on data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Based on data obtained from interview, we found that most of teachers agreed that error correction was one of process to create student in material. The data obtained from the interview also revealed that teaching grammar instruction in CLT classrooms should be balanced. In teaching English between tests, activity must be balanced. Also, in teaching English language, students should not only master the theory but also practice the discussion. Conclusion: based on the data analyzed based using thematic analysis, it was found teacher and student perception. The second, student perception in learning grammar in communicative language teaching classroom. Students consider grammar as an important part in learning grammar in CLT. So it was better for students to start using the language communicative at the grassroots level. Last, we hope that the present study can be useful for the future research who are interested to expect more information about teacher-student perception in grammar instruction and communicative language teaching.